In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Google Slides in Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet in your web browser and go to your meeting. You can do this from a meeting link or by joining from the Google Meet homepage. Once the meeting screen is open, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct call and that your microphone and camera settings are set the way you want. This helps you avoid distractions when you start presenting. Now look at the bottom area of the Meet window where the meeting controls are located. Find the Present option. In many layouts, this is shown as a button that says Present Now, or an icon that indicates screen sharing. Click that Present option to open the sharing choices. When the sharing menu appears, choose the option that lets you share a window. This is important because sharing a window is the cleanest way to present slides. It keeps your audience focused on your presentation, and it prevents notifications or other open tabs from appearing on screen. After you select the window sharing option, a system window will pop up showing a list of available windows you can share. At this point, make sure your Google Slides file is already open in a separate window and ready to go. If it is not open yet, open it first so it shows up in the list of shareable windows. In the window selection list, click the Google Slides window you prepared. You want to select the one that clearly shows your presentation, not the Meet window itself. Once the correct Slides window is highlighted, confirm the share selection to start presenting. Your Google Slides will now be visible to everyone in the meeting. Keep the Slides window in front as you present so it stays active, and move through your slides normally using your keyboard arrows or the on-screen navigation. If you need to switch between editing and presenting views in slides, do it smoothly and keep your pace steady so your audience can follow along. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.